Hope you guys are ready for Dead Cells, God of War Ragnarok, DLC Valhalla, and maybe Tekken 8 as well. But that's up to you guys. You gotta let me know. You gotta let me know, man. Do you want it? Let me know. It has to be, you know, requested. It has to be requested. You know, by the audience. Yes. We're starting with Dead Cells, and then we're doing God of War and then Tekken 8, if you guys want it. So you gotta know Joe by now. Go ahead. Sign up stream chat. Thank you, I appreciate it. Don't forget to also give the stream a like. Thank you, very important.
No.
And also, check out the links in the description.
Give me money, give me money, give me money, give me money, give me money.
Their greed disgusts me. Consider, you gotta remember the channel.
No.
Because if
You're not.
Tekken 8 demo has online,
You're seriously not.
I'll be playing with members of the channel, actually. So, that should motivate some of you guys to become members. But anyway, who do we got? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see what's happening with Tekken. We'll see. We'll probably just be doing God of War all night, it looks like. Don't think there's a whole lot of interest in this game, sadly. Whoa, what the? Man, he sounds so bored. Holy shit.
俺たちはこの世に存在するべきではない。愚かだな、風間陣。
Beat that ass. Anybody find that funny? Because I certainly didn't. Beat daddy's ass. Oh, what the hell? I was playing.
Listen, there's a lot to see in this life. Not wasting it here.
What? This has online?
Failure.
The fuck? Okay, hold on.
Failure. Failure.
What are you, fucking stupid?
Man, I be Josh Carlin. Sure, yeah. Please carry me, please. Oh, wow. Woman. Nina, okay. Oh, man. This guy's so predictable, you can set your watch to this guy. Okay.
Get ready for the next battle.
This should be fun.
Looks pretty good. Just come flying in. This is some great commentary so far, by the way. I gotta say, I gotta throw it out there.
Fight.
Oh. Power crush. Damn.
Round 2. Fight.
Oh shit. I didn't do shit. That's pretty good.
Round 3. Fight.
Oh shit.
You win.
Okay.
What's done is done.
I like him. You mean DSP mode? Oh yeah. And you keep rematching. Not like we've had a 6 demo that was sucked ass. Yeah, he's the. I agree. He's the expert here. The master game den. He's made a lot of games over the years. You know what I mean? He knows all the ins and outs, basically. He's the expert.
Round one. Fight.
Damn. Oh.
Round two. Fight.
Damn. We already said that. Shut up. That kick. That kick. I like it.
Round three. Fight.
Spamming this shit like a fucking douchebag. Okay, pretty good.
You win.
Isn't it past your bedtime?
You know what? I agree. Yes, it is. So yeah, really cool stream tonight. I hope you guys enjoying. I got no complaints.
You sucked!
But yeah, awesome stream. I hope you guys enjoying. Had a great time.
I award you no points, and may God have mercy on your soul.
Your content is shit. I agree. I agree 100%. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content.
Oh!